Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I am going to guide you how you can add the Gmail account into the Outlook. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, you need to download the new Outlook app from the Microsoft Store. Just you need to type her Outlook, and this is for free, open source. You can see here Outlook for Windows free. Click on that option to get. This is the free version, and open source you can configure this. You can configure your Gmail into this Outlook app. So while it is downloading guys, we have to make some changes. Make sure you made your default browser. Open the default apps, and you need to go to the web browser and set your default browser as which you have currently logged in. So in my case, I have logged in with my Gmail account in the Google Chrome. So click on set, and let me open the Google Chrome, and simply you need to log in with your Gmail account. Once you log in with your Gmail account, we need to go to 9 dots here, then click on your account, and we need to click on the security icon here. Okay, and we need to scroll down, and you need to make sure that two-step verification is on your system. If it is showing off, you are not able to configure your Gmail into the Outlook. So make sure you on that. Just you have to enter your phone number and recovery email here, then it should be on, and it should be showing the date here when you have on it. Also you need to configure some settings here. Click on Gmail account here, open that up, and once you open your Gmail, you need to go to here the setting icon, open that, and click on all settings, and we need to go to this forwarding and pop IMAP, and we need to enable the IMAP. This is the new. Okay, and make sure the IMAP is enabled here. Then you need to scroll down, and do not do anything now, just you need to save changes. Now we are good with this option. We need to verify your setting. Just click on continue. As you can see, it is opening into the default browser here, so you have to wait here. Now approve from your phone guys. And once you have approved, it will again log in into your account. So you have to close this now, your Gmail. Now let me bring up the newly installed app here. You can see here, you can pin it, ping to start, and let me open it. Now once you have opened it guys, it will fetch here some information. Just we have to wait here. Okay, and you need to select your, you have to type your Gmail address which you want to configure. Okay, and then click on continue, and once you click on this option, check your email which is the correct email address of your syncing your Gmail account. Okay, click on continue, and again it is going to go to the default browser, just click on continue and allow all the settings, select all here. Okay, and we need to click on then continue. Now it should be syncing now. Now you need to click on next, then don't send the optional data, accept that, click on continue and click on skip. And if I have installed Outlook, so you can choose the same setting as well here. So you can see here we have successfully configured our Outlook. Okay, so this is the free version, guys. If you have installed the Outlook from your system on, you want to remove this, so you can click on manage account and simply click on manage and simply remove it, and remove this from this device. Click on remove and you are good to go. We have successfully removed the Outlook. Okay, but if you have installed the Outlook, this is not the app, you are not using the app, guys. So simply you need to bring up your Outlook here, install Outlook like this, classic or the 2019. Enter your email address here, then click on continue. Just you need to untick this option, set up Outlook on my mobile too. Just click on done and Outlook is going to configure now. You can see, close this, and we have successfully configured the Outlook into the app as well as the install Outlook application. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.